Hello everyone, welcome to Login Jan. In this video, we'll learn how to add music to an Instagram post after posting it, a side-by-side guide. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and navigate to Instagram on your phone. And once the app opens up, look for the post in which you want to add music to. Well, unfortunately, it is not possible to add music directly to a post which has already been posted, but you can still add a song to it by sharing the post to your story. So for that, click on the paper airplane-like icon under the post and tap on Add to your story. Now, select the smiley face icon at the top of the page. Scroll down and tap on Music. Now, select a certain song, or you can search for the song in the search bar. Once you've added the song, you can select the template as you like, and once you're done, select on Done at the upper right corner. Now to post this to your story, tap on Your Story at the bottom left corner. And with this, your story will be posted. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.